Hello, all you ghosts and goblins. Welcome to my special Halloween broadcast on
McDonald's Magical Radio.
I've got a few tricks and lots of treats for you, including a song from my very own album, Ronald Makes It Magic. So I hope everyone's ready for some Halloween fun.
Yeah!
Tell me, what do you like best about Halloween?
Trick-or-treating! Halloween parties! Costumes!
The little tiny reindeer prancing on the snowy rooftops.
Wrong holiday, Grimace!
Ooh, now I remember what I like best about Halloween.
Go ahead, Grimace.
It's the bunnies. Just joking. Now I'll tell you.
Singing a song from my album, Ronald Makes It Magic, here's Grimace to tell us what he likes best about Halloween.
When I'm feeling very safe, feeling very sound, and there's absolutely nothing frightening around. Sometimes I like to scare myself. It really can be fun. And it's almost magical how easily it's done. Is there something in my closet? Something underneath my bed? Are the noises I hear real or just inside my head? Am I making up what's scary? Is it really, really very? Should I take a chance and peek? Or simply holler, hey! Yes, I like to scare myself. Scare myself. It really can be fun. I like to turn off all the lights and settle down to dream about creepy, crawly, icky things, delightful, frightful, yucky things, gigantic, gooey, gloppy things that make most people scream. Things that are even more scary than a big wet kiss from Aunt Ethel. I pretend to see a monster 12 feet tall with smelly feet, and he tells me with his monster voice, "Give me all your toys to eat."
You mean the brand new ones?
Yes, I like to scare myself. Scare myself. It really can be fun. Sometimes it's awfully easy to make myself feel queasy. I can go from feeling cheery to feeling really eerie. Pinky, squishy, squashy, icky, ucky, clinking, clanking, slither, sliding, howling, yelling, bumping, thumping creatures of the night. I love to give myself a fright. Yes, I like to scare myself. Scare myself. It really can be fun.
That was frightfully good.
Ronald Makes It Magic!
Magical Radio! Hey, Ronald, I want to show you my Halloween costume. Wait here and I'll go put it on.
Sure thing, Grimace. In the meantime, I'm going to play that monster Halloween hit song, Gorilla My Dreams.
Ronald, something's wrong with the station. The music won't play. What are those weird sounds?
There's something very strange going on here.
Maybe the station is haunted.
What's that?
I think it's a ghost. It's getting closer and closer.
Knock, knock.
It's here! Ronald, what do we do?
Panic?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo who?
Don't cry, Ronald. It's only me.
Oh, Grimace.
Grimace.
How do you like my Halloween costume? I'm a robot.
We thought the radio station was haunted by a ghost.
A ghost? Where?
No, we thought you were the ghost. But if there's no ghost, then why wouldn't the song play?
Yeah.
Grimace, your robot costume. Did you make that yourself?
Yeah, I sure did.
Where did you get all those knobs and buttons and dials?
Right here at the station.
Oh.
This came from that big machine over there, and this knob
No
came from...
wonder the song wouldn't play.
It's a nice Halloween costume, but you know, I'd rather be a ghost. Yep, I would.
Okay, we'll just put all this stuff back the way it should be.
Yeah, I know exactly where all the knobs and dials go. I think.
Great. And while Grimace puts on his ghost costume...
Are you using these curtains?
You kids can turn over this tape. The other side has lots of scary sounds you can use to put on your own Halloween show. From all of us in McDonaldland, have a safe...
and happy Halloween!